شو أستاذ كيفك؟
كيفك ريست؟ جود. أنت كيف؟
What?
How are you?
Good, good. أنت كيفك منيح؟
Good الحمد لله. لا ليه كيفك؟
Good أستاذ.
هاي منيحة. أنت كيفك أستاذ؟
الحمد لله منيح.
صباح أستاذ.
صباح هيكاز كيفك؟
إيه شرحتك أستاذ.
Yes Thomas. Okay, let's start. Good morning first.
إيه أستاذ عندك شي الساعة 1:15
No.
فينا نعمل جاس؟
أكيد.
أوكي.
لما عندكم كام
أستاذ
Yes.
راح الواي فاي عند كريست بس يجي بيفوت.
طيب.
لا أستاذ كان عندنا فيزيكس عملنا بكير.
مش كيمستري بيكون البيريود؟
1:15 لا بصير فيزيكس.
Physics. Okay. Given two terms U and V. Air nu contains three balls, each carrying the number 1. Three balls carrying the number 1 and two balls carrying the number 2.
Three.
We have total 5 balls. This is U. Air V. Also, we have 5 balls. 2 balls carrying the number 1. And 3 balls carrying the number 3. We draw at random one ball from U and one ball from V. We take one from U and one ball from V. Part 1. What is the probability that the two drawn balls carry the same number? The two drawn balls carry the same number. Yes, who can tell how to calculate probability? Two same number. Equals. Who can tell what's probability two same number? Yes, anybody?
1-1 or 3-3.
1-1. From where 1-1?
1 from U, 1 from B.
1 from U, 1 from B. Or plus يعني probability 3 from U, 3 from B. Now how to change it to numbers? How to change it to numbers? What is the probability to choose 1 from U?
3/5
3/5
times 2/5.
plus
2/5 times 3/5.
بيطلع 12/25. Part 2. What is the probability the two drawn balls carry two numbers whose sum is 4? The sum equal 4.
ستريس هونيك 3U 3V ولا 1U
أول واحد 1U 1V 3U 3V.
يس نمبر 3 يعني.
So probability لل same number هي 1U 1V 3U 3V. هذا probability sum equal 4. How much did you get? كيف بدنا نحصل على probability the sum equal 4? Either probability 1 from U, 3 from V, or 3 from U, 1 from V equals 1 from U is 3 over 5 times 3 from V is 3 over 5 plus 3 from U is 2 over 5 times 2 over 5 equal 13 over 25. Who can tell how we can solve it by a different method? How we can solve it by another method? How we can solve it by another method? Probability the sum equal 4, I can solve it by another method. Probability the sum equal 4 equals 1 minus probability same number, two same number. Equals probability of two same number equal 1 minus 12 over 25 equals 13 over 25. Part B. We draw simultaneously and at random 2 balls from U and 1 ball from V. 2 from U, 1 from V. 2 balls from U and 1 ball from V. Consider the event E, the sum of the numbers carried by the 3 drawn balls is 7. Show that probability that E equal 2 over 5. So who can tell how to describe the situation probability that E late last sum 7?
Two threes from U, one from V.
Probability, yes. Probability 3, 3 from U. ومن ال V is 1. Do we have another situation?
No.
Plus, Bella, we have another one. What is the other one?
1 from U or 2 trees from
Yes.
V.
No, I have to take 1 ball from V.
Okay. يعني one from U and 3 from U و 3 from V.
1, 3 from U and 3 from V. Equals. What is the chance to get 2 threes from U? How many threes in U we have? 2. So I put C 2 2 over C2 5 times. I need the ball number 1 from V. I have 2 over 5 plus I need 1 from 3 times 1 from 2 over C2 5 times 3 over 5. We get 2 over 5. Part C. Any questions about part B, شباب؟ صبايا, any questions?
أستاذ راح الإنترنت عندي، شو صار هون؟
E, I take 2 balls from you, 1 ball from V. but يكون sum is equal to 7 أو sum equal 4 عفوا. يكون sum equal 4. No, the sum is 7. To get the sum is 7. I can take 2 threes from you and 1 ball numbered 1 from V. Or I can take 1 3 from you and 3 from V. And 3 from V.
أوكي.
2 3 3 3 from you, 1 from V, or 1 and 3 from you with 3 from V. Equal, I change them to combinations. Now we place the 10 balls from the 2 given airs in one air in W. So هذا air in W. صار في عندي 5 balls number 0, 5, not zeros, 5 ones, و 5 threes. In total, we have 10 balls. We choose simultaneously 3 balls. We choose simultaneously 3 balls. Let x be a random variable equal to the product of the numbers carried by the 3 drawn balls. The product carried by the 3 drawn balls. Find the 4 possible values للx. شو بده يكون البرودكت؟ شو ممكن يكون البرودكت؟ Who can give the 4 values of x? Part 1. What are the 4 possible values of x? The product. What could be the product? The product is أخذت 3 ones. إذا أخذت 3 ones قديش بيكون البرودكت؟ بيكون ال x equal 1. If I take 2 ones and 1 3, ال x equal 3. If I take 1 1 و 2 3, The product is 9. And if we take 3 threes, بتكون ال x equal 27. Part 2. Determine the probability distribution of x. We are going to calculate 4 probabilities. Probability that x equal 1. Equals, I get 3 ones. Equals C35 equals 1/12. Probability لل x equal 3 equal probability لل 2 ones and 1 3 equals C25 equal 5/12. Probability that x equal 9 equals probability of 1 1 and 2 3 equals C15 probability that x equal 27 equals okay. This is all about this exercise. This is all for today also. For tomorrow please solve ما تعملوا كلكم الهوم ورك ليش؟
شو أستاذ؟
ما ليش ما بتعملوا الهوم ورك؟ فيش غير أليسا عم تعمل الهوم ورك. صايرين ليزي.
أستاذ صرنا بهالدرس نفس الشيء
لا،
نفس الشيء.
next week راح أعمل لك تيست وأكبر راس
يلا.
إذا
لا
إذا
لا
بدك.
شو استاذ
بلش
منيح هيدا
بلش هيكات
هيدا
بلش هيكات.
هيدا صعب.
توماس عم يقول ايزي.
ايزي استاذ.
إذا قلت ايزي بكره بجيب لك مسابقه بتصير ايزي انت.
اوكي يلا جنرال ساينس على ال 115 بنشوفكم.
يلا باي.
يلا باي استاذ.
باي باي. باي باي.
باي.
باي.